SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost graph, which sort of is genuinely huge. SLP in a real sense faces obstruction at $0.003 in a fundamentally significant manner. Smooth Love Elixir for the most part is as of now esteemed at $0.003. Backing for the truly bears in every way that really matters has been laid out at $0.003. 18 August 2023. In this video, we will, all things considered, walk you through especially Smooth Love Mixture cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and explicitly attempt to answer these habitually certainly clarified some things, facts. What by and large is momentary cost expectation for pretty Smooth Love Elixir? Sort of is SLP a genuinely wise speculation, or so they, all things considered, thought. Smooth Love Mixture support and opposition levels and so forth, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Yet prior to plunging kind of profound into the SLP specialized examination, certainly let us for the most part discuss the truly current economic situations, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the kind of whole digital money market to $1,053,100,425,532. Truly further appearance. How SLP truly faces opposition at $0.003, which in every way that really matters, is very critical. The kind of all-out exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $71,015,534,287 in a truly significant way. Bitcoin shares 48.22% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,100.98 level after a decay of 8.17%, or so they certainly thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value decline of 6.02%, coming to $1,668.26 during the past 24 hours, which generally is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $217.42 following a value change of 5.26% within a similar time period, which especially is genuinely critical. XRP, the local coin of XRP, certainly is somewhere near 13.42, and right now exchanging at 51 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a very enormous way. These occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market generally is going in an all things considered, descending bearing for genuinely present moment, which for the most part is genuinely huge. As of now, a general commonly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an essentially huge manner. Smooth Love Elixir backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized markers used to essentially distinguish extremely key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path in an unpretentious manner. Support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become sort of more kind of dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how these occasions sort of demonstrate that the market especially is going in a fundamentally descending bearing for certainly present moment. Similarly, opposition for the most part is a level at which merchants generally move exceptionally dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Certainly further appearance how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents. In the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, by and large, in spite of prevalent thinking. Following certainly are the help and obstruction levels of extremely Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, sort of Smooth Love Elixir execution. The genuinely day-to-day outline of fundamentally Smooth Love Mixture generally shows that the SLP cost most certainly has a sort of descending development, with a 1.18% decline in beautiful beyond 24 hours, or so they essentially thought. The value worth of the Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, coin for the most part is remaining at $0.003, with market capitalization $137,276,313 United States dollars, which by and large shows that SLP explicitly faces opposition at $0.003, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. SLP cost changes 4.08% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume generally is floating around $10,395,115 United States dollars, showing how XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP, explicitly is somewhere near 13.42 and presently exchanging at 51 cents. By and large, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Smooth Love Mixture Value Examination SLP Cost Examination for 18 August 2023, inside a by and large day-to-day time period, explicitly made sense of underneath, exhibiting that very smooth love elixir backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to all things considered. Recognize most certainly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path incredibly. We utilize really relative strength INDEXRSI, moving kind of normal combination and uniqueness, MACD. Backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including fundamentally basic moving sort of normal, SMA, and remarkable moving especially normal, EMA, to especially examine the future development of the genuinely smooth love mixture, showing how SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline in a sort of enormous manner. The especially relative strength file RSI shows that the SLP coin especially is close oversold zone, as RSI by and large is at 34, which explicitly is very huge. The MACD line sort of is remaining underneath of the kind of sine line after a hybrid, exhibiting that help in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers basically become considerably more sort of dynamic and, for the most part, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how these occasions fundamentally demonstrate that the market basically is going in a by and large descending course for especially present moment, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Smooth love elixir financial backers need to basically hang tight for any directional change over the very day-to-day outline, which basically is very huge, while SLP's Williams %R marker basically is at 73.578 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange genuinely signal explicitly is entirely conceivable at this reach, showing how right now, a truly broad sort of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a truly significant manner. As per the traditional turn, the essential quick opposition for SLP may especially be really found at $0.003, especially followed by $0.004, showing how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an especially significant way. Meanwhile, the cryptocurrency's help levels in every practical sense were situated at $0.003 and afterward $0.003, which explicitly shows that we utilize genuinely relative strength INDEXRSI, moving in every way that really matters, normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including kind of basic moving pretty normal,